In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to delete all viruses on your iPhone. So, let's hop straight into the video. Now, if you think that your iPhone has a virus, or any viruses for that matter, I have a couple of different steps to show you on how and where to find them. First, head on over to the settings icon. Then, scroll down to Safari and tap on that. Now, scroll down till you see Clear History and Add a Website Data. This is definitely a place where you'll most likely pick up a virus, and your files is another one too. Now, to clear your history, tap on Clear History and Data. This will wipe off any and all information surrounding Safari and any and all viruses. Now, head back to the main page of Settings and tap on your name. Then tap on iCloud. Click on iCloud Drive. Now, tap on Manage Storage. So, on the screen, you can tell that it has a bunch of information on it about your downloads, documents, and desktop. With your downloads, this is where you potentially might have a virus. Now, of course we do want to be safe, so we'll go ahead and delete documents and data. And by doing this, it'll help clear off any and all viruses. If you've done both of these steps and still think or feel that you have a virus on your iPhone, you can always back up your iPhone, restore it to factory default, and it'll wipe off any and all kind of viruses in any of the settings on your software or your iPhone. To do this, head back to your iCloud storage and tap on iCloud Backup. Then tap on Backup Now. And the reason why you want to back up your iPhone is so that this way you'll be able to keep all of your information, messages, photos, and videos, etc., because you probably don't want to lose all of this. So let's go back to Settings, scroll down, and click on General. Now that you're in General, look for Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then hit Erase All Contents and Settings. This will erase every single thing that is on your iPhone and immediately set back to factory default and wipe off all viruses. Now, if you do decide to do it this way, and you slowly start to add back your old apps and downloads, do it from an old iPhone. That way you can test and see if it worked without adding back the viruses that you previously had. But after you've gone through all three of these steps to clear your phone of these awful forbidden things, you should be A-okay. And if anything else fails, just go on ahead and head on over to an Apple store near you, because they'll be able to run a diagnostics on your iPhone and really see and pinpoint the exact virus and get rid of it for you right then and there. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.